tests. So we're going to pretend that we have two different factories that produce boxes of staples. In column A, we have a sample of the different boxes produced and the number of staples counted, and likewise column B is for factory B. So this is the formula that we're going to be running for our t-test, but we're going to have Excel do most of the heavy lifting for us. So let's start off by clicking on File. We're then going to scroll down until we see Options. Then we will click on Add-ins here on this sidebar and Manage Excel Add-ins down here at the bottom. Let's go ahead and click Go. Now make sure that Analysis Toolpack is clicked, not VBA, just the regular Analysis Toolpack. Once that's selected, you can click OK, and the Data Analysis Toolpack will be added. So it may not look very different, but when we click over here on the Data tab, we will now have under Analysis, Data Analysis. So we're going to click on that. You'll be given this long different list of tools that it can use. Specifically, we're going to be looking at the t-test since we're running a t-test. And we definitely have two samples. These are not the same machine, so it's not a paired. So we're going to do a two sample assuming unequal variance. Click OK. And now we're going to be asked for a few things. So let's go ahead and fill in these fields one by one. In variable range 1, we're going to want to go ahead and select all of A. And for variable range 2, we're going to go ahead and select all of B. And for the hypothesized mean difference, we're going to say that there's no difference. And I clicked labels because we did in fact select labels. In here we can set our alpha level, so let's go ahead and put it as 0.04. Now for our output range, normally it's selected on a new sheet. If we would like it on the same sheet, we'll click on output range. Clicking on there, we'll then click on the cell that we want it to populate to. So we'll click OK. And now we have our analysis. So go up here to the top of D, in my case, because I put it in D. And if you wait until the cursor turns into the double arrows with the line in the middle, you can double click and it will auto fit all the text to the boxes, making everything a lot more visible and easier to see. So now we can see the means displayed, the variances displayed. Oops. Nope, don't want to move my data around. Means or variances displayed, our number of observations, our degrees of freedom, and then even our t-stat is displayed for running this formula to get our t-stat, and the p-value for either a one-tail or a two-tail test, along with our critical values. Now for us, we wanted to know if there was or wasn't a difference, and that's given to us here. And so since our p-value is higher than our alpha level, we will not reject the null hypothesis. All right, I hope this has been helpful, and good luck.